Hello and welcome back, guys. Just wanted to show you what I did with the bird aviary. I made it a bit, well, about 10 times bigger than it was, and you can see the diamond dove is already nesting, and I have some canaries there, and there's the other dove there. So what I did, I put it inside this tree, so what the birds do, they're dropping, and I'll feed the tree as well. I've concrete to the bottom, with left a little opening by there where I can just jet wash it all around, wipe it around by here. Still got some more work to do. Also, what I want to do, I want to fiberglass the top of this, and when it gets at night, I'm going to roll this down by here so they don't get direct wind on them. But I'm really happy with it. The weather's not too good today, but I can sit outside here all day and watch these. Makes me really happy. I'm just glad now she's gone into the nest box already. Because we're done with this lockdown now, can't go anywhere to buy some more birds for the time being, but that's okay for now. Just add them as I go along. But I'm really happy with it. Just going to show you how the fish are doing. So this pond was originally a very small pond, about this size. And then I made it really big. Wish I went a bit bigger again now. And as you can see, these kois, they're super tame. If I put my hand in here, oh, that water's really cold. This is a skimmer that I made myself, guys. As you can see, look, this one picked up that big thingy there. Working really fine. The ones you buy ain't all that good, so made it myself. Doing a really good job collecting all the debris, sucking it all in. Let me go and get a bit of food. And they've already been fed, so they might not come that close. Shame about the weather, it's not very hot today, but